Hi, my name is Merritt Delano Taylor. I'm in the Biomedical Science Department, and I'm also your faculty partner for the Student Success Network. I'm really glad to see you guys. Where I'm standing now is in the lab. This is the research lab that we use to be able to ask questions about Parkinson's disease and birth and death of dopamine neurons, which are the ones that are affected by Parkinson's disease. So we're pretty excited about it. What we do here is that we have a pretty student-focused type of lab where we have undergraduates and some graduate students working with us to be able to help answer some interesting questions about those topics. But whatever you're interested in, there's faculty who are doing interesting work. So whether you're interested in the arts and studio work, or whether they have in the humanities and that kind of effort, and then obviously more applied things that are out there as well. So, but one of the things I wanted to do is first not only welcome you guys and tell you a little bit about me and where I'm at, but also to say how glad I am to actually be your faculty partner. It's really important. When I was in college, it was my sophomore year that I was sure I was going to leave college. And there are a lot of reasons behind that were going on in my family and so on, but it was just, it was a really tough time. So to be able to connect with you guys at an early stage when you're first coming in, I think is important to me. I think it makes a difference. So I hope that'll help you as well, as I was lucky to be able to connect with a couple of professors that was meaningful. So I'm here to help. A couple of things that they suggested that we look at. So I'm going to cheat and look at my notes. I will not be meeting you at transitions because my dad is having his 90th birthday party. So you only turn 90 once, so I gotta do that. But I will be at the, but I'll be connecting with you guys throughout the year and trying to set up some meetings so we can meet and just opportunities for one-on-one connection as well as in some groups. One thing though that's really neat to know, things to know for school. It's different than high school, as you probably have guessed, but it's hard to really tell what that means. And I think something that's meaningful is to think about your, what is it that faculty want? They want you to show up to class, which you think is pretty normal, but once you first get to college, you're not required to go. So, so some people just stop going. But please don't. Come. It really makes a difference to be able to learn the material face-to-face. The second is going to, and then doing the homework, starting early on all of that stuff is really, really important. I think a thing that happens a lot is when people are going through and taking their exams, the first one doesn't go well, they say, well, I should have studied harder, or X, Y, and Z, I'm gonna fix it. Second exam comes, and they're like, oh gosh, that didn't fix it either. And then you're into your third exam, and then you're kind of like, you're into 3/4 of the semester, and you're trying to scramble to figure out what to do. So at that first exam, even before it, just go start talking to professors during office hours. So show up to class, do office hours, and try to connect with your professor. Put a human face on the person who's going to be doing whatever types of exams or assessments. And even if they're a little nuts, not all my colleagues are, completely normal, but nobody is, right? We're all human. But just try to make a connection with them as much as you can to kind of navigate the coursework and learn more about the major or whatever your academic interests are. So let me take another peek here. Let's see, there's also a note that they wanted to say for academic honesty, which I am sure you guys are going to be fine with, but just as a note, that they do have like these different programs that allow us to be able to screen for plagiarism and things like that. So please don't cheat. It's just a tough process to have to go through on both sides as a professor and also as a student, and you don't have to do it. And then I think the other thing is just to kind of do what we're doing right now and just to say hello, get connected, even if it's virtual, like what we're doing now, or if we connect by Skype. Your schedule might be crazy, or mine might be crazy, or whatever it is. The connection really can help make a difference. So let's do that. On Blackboard, I'll be distributing, this video through Blackboard, but you can get in touch with me that way, and we'll take it from there. But I'm really excited to have you guys there at the transitions meeting. Sean and a couple of other folks who are also faculty partners we'll be going through and just having you guys connect and meet other people who are commuting, and I think that's really good, and we'll be able to, people who are also in your shoes, as good people to help form study groups with or just friendships with, who can get it and what you're doing. And he'll talk more about some of these themes that I brought up. So I'm just over 5 minutes. I should probably stop babbling. I hope things are good. Welcome to Grand Valley. Take care.